The challenge for me is that I'm going to be cycling from one end of Scotland to the other, and that's south to north. The distance I'll be covering is about 940 kilometres, and it's going to take me 25 days to do this. Some of the terrain that I'll be covering will be tough and challenging, and yes, it's a challenge because I am 74 years old, but I love challenges, and I love challenges that are really, really worthwhile. And doing this challenge for young carers in association with the Green Team, of which I'm the founder and senior patron, really makes it all so worthwhile. I know that there are people out there who will really get it when it comes to thinking of young carers and their needs. And we know in the Green Team that we can provide them with a wonderful experience with nature. Young carers, that's young people who, not out of choice but out of circumstance, find themselves in a caring role. So it may be caring for a parent, or indeed parents, or a sibling or somebody else. And that's a role that they find themselves in of necessity, because that member of their family needs looking after. And young carers have a real challenge in life because they're trying to juggle school and looking after somebody who needs that care. And they can't just walk away from it.
Knowing that people are going through the same thing, similar things, and knowing you get the support there if you need it.
Yeah, and the people that run it are really nice.
Yeah, and you get to go on all these trips, that's really cool.
Yeah, and just get a break from everything.
Just a lot of people that I can talk to, and it takes my mind off lots of things in real life happening.
To be honest, it just makes me feel free. And it makes me feel happy and relaxed.
Just very comforting to take a walk sometimes, I guess.
So I really feel for them and their situation in life, and I'm just filled with admiration for what they do. They are an inspiration